All right, so today we're gonna be in Collin County. Beautiful, beautiful home that I have for you guys. This one's gonna be right around 409,000. So you guys can see it's gonna come with some beautiful cathedral ceilings. It's gonna be 4 bedrooms, office room, game room, media room. This one, you guys are gonna wanna see this one. Also, I'm gonna talk to you guys about the numbers. I want to show you guys what those numbers could look like so you can have a better understanding of what to expect once you're shopping. So let me show you guys the exterior. Let me start you guys from the exterior and go on to the interior afterwards, and then show you guys what this is all about. So we're gonna be in McKinney, Texas. This is gonna be the east side of McKinney. As you guys can see here, this is gonna be the home. This same floor plan just got sold, but they're still building multiple floor plans of this same home. This is what's gonna be called about 2,700 square feet. So beautiful exterior. As you guys can see, the neighborhood is also really modern as well. It gives you that nice modern touch. I really love this exterior style. They make the home look so tall. This one, it's about 30 feet tall, so pretty big home. And also, it's also good for the price point. 409, it's not gonna get you guys very much if you're looking in Collin County. But here we're in the east side of McKinney, so it's a little bit more affordable. This is gonna be the office room. Nice little office space, 2 big windows there. Love the French doors. This floor plan is gonna have 2 bedrooms down, 2 bedrooms up. So this is gonna be one of the first bedrooms that's gonna be down. This is gonna be kind of like a guest suite. So if you guys have a family that just can go upstairs, this is gonna be the room. And it's pretty much attached to the bathroom right next door. So full bath and full room. Here we're gonna have a little bit more storage space. So if this closet is not enough space for your guest, which is a smaller closet, it's not the biggest closet. I'm just being honest with you guys. It's not the biggest closet, but that's why they give you this other little bitty more closet to store things in there. But yeah, I mean, I do like that concept, especially if it's my case, especially if I have my parents that can go upstairs, they would usually take this room, and I would still have my office to work. So if it was me, right? Check it out. Beautiful, beautiful cathedral ceilings that would take you from the kitchen all the way to the living room. Beautiful, beautiful home overall. You're gonna have white countertops, that subway tile backsplash, and white cabinets as well. Let's check it out, what's here. It's gonna be the pantry. Not so bad of a pantry in my opinion. Beautiful home, beautiful layout. This one is gonna be pretty much just an open layout, open concept, right? So you're gonna have your dining, then your living room. I do like the windows though. Definitely add a lot of natural light to this place. So this is gonna be the living room. I'll say those ceilings are about 18 foot, starting from 18 feet, then go all the way up to 10 feet. So not a bad layout. I wanna show you guys the backyard and then show you guys the upstairs. I do like this covered patio. I definitely do like this covered patio. Has the cathedral ceilings as well. And it has a lot of space. Usually new construction homes don't have that much space on the covered patio. Backyard size, it's about the average size yard here that you would see for a new construction home. In terms of numbers, down payment for something like this could put you out of pocket, maybe just total out of pocket if you're a first time buyer and that can qualify for the FHA. That could put you out of pocket maybe around $15,000 to $16,000. And monthly payment, that's always the big one. You always gotta ask, what is my payment going to look like? Here, pretty much we have the stairs and the primary bedroom. So we always have to ask, what would my payment look like? For something like this, it would pretty much be closer to around $3,000 a month or so. So check it out, really nice living room with the cathedral ceilings. That same ceiling goes all the way up to the patio. So I really like that. They followed through all the way up to the patio. This is gonna be the bathroom. 2 sinks, full shower. Nice tile there. That's gonna be the toilet room. And here we're gonna have some more towel space. This is gonna be the closet space. Nice, not bad at all. Some really good storage here. But yeah, so you guys always have to ask, what would my payment look like? Right now, if you wanted to shop for something older, the rates would be a lot more higher. So like pre-existing homes, usually those rates are close to 2,700. They're close to 6%, which for a $330,000 property, your monthly payment could be close to this one. But the only reason our monthly payment's low on a new construction home is, of course, you guys know, because builders are buying down the rate, and that's part of their incentive as well. Now with this builder does not finish out the garage. So whenever the buyer buys the home, the garage is gonna come out just like this, bed and tape, no finishing. And also it's gonna come with sprinkler systems as well. But yeah, just wanna give you guys the raw truth. This is gonna be the laundry space, but it also has some more little storage space there. So if you'd like to have your pet stuff there, other little beds, that could be a good space. All right, so let's check upstairs. Let's see what upstairs is all about. It's been a couple weeks since I have walked one of these floor plans. And let me tell you guys, this is gonna be on the east side of McKinney. I have a lot of you guys that always ask me, Rigo, can I have this one in West McKinney? And I will tell you, yes, you can most definitely have it, but not for this price point. Add $200,000 to $300,000 more if you want to be in West McKinney. Just because that area is a lot more developed, and obviously you're paying for that. You're paying for the location. Here, this area, you still have to drive 10 minutes to the closest shopping and dining, but you get a really good deal on the home. So, you know, it's a trade-off. This is going to be the game room. That is going to be the media room. We're going to have bedroom number 3, bedroom number 4, and bathroom number 3. So I want to start you off from the attic. This is going to be the attic space. A lot of storage, actually. I know builders tell you not to store things in here, but they usually allow like minimal storage. So like little Christmas tree here and there, you can definitely store it here. I would store, you know, winter clothes that you're no longer using. Texas summers get really, really hot. So most of that clothes, it's one time only. Let me show you guys the media room here at the end. Let me start you off on bedroom number 3. But yeah, you guys let me know what y'all think about this one. Is it worth maybe $3,000 a month or so? I know a lot of you guys are maybe watching from another state. So let me show y'all the beautiful, beautiful neighborhood. As you can see, really peaceful neighborhood. Has some walking trails. Just like I said, modern neighborhood as well. So if that's your aesthetic, if that's your style, this is pretty much the one. So this is gonna be bedroom number 3. Just like I said, it has decent storage. Decent, that would be the closet. So it's decent closet space. All right, so it's gonna be bedroom number 4. Bedroom number 4, it's probably gonna be the smallest bedroom, but it's still a good size. It's gonna be about 11 by 12. All the bedrooms are a little bit bigger than this one. Closet space is still really decent though, so we're not at a loss here. This is gonna be the final bathroom. This is gonna be bathroom number 3, but it's a full bath. A lot of homes on this price point are gonna be 2.5, which means you're only gonna have this toilet and the sink. But if it's 3 fulls, then that means we get the shower. I really like what they did here. 3 full baths, 4 bedrooms. This is gonna be the game room. So I see a lot of people maybe put like a smaller TV or just kind of like a hangout area. That could be like the kids study area. So if you guys have kids or if you just want to make it like an extra study, that could be a really nice nice spot. But let me show you guys the media room that they have it highlighted here. So this is gonna be the media room. This is gonna be it's already pre-wired for surround sound systems. So if you guys wanted to go a little fancy here, you guys could. I also have seen a lot of clients, whenever they move in, they paint this room all black. They pretty much make it look really nice. And that's the thing that the builder doesn't finish. They don't paint it black or anything. It's just gonna come as is. But I mean, it's such a nice space for a family just to watch your movie nights or just your sports nights. You can pretty much just close this. Let's see how it would look. You can pretty much just close these doors. Let's see. And pretty much have a full movie night. So I don't mind it at all. Obviously here we get a window, but if you wanted to, you could pretty much put a black curtain there and just block it off. But this is one of my favorite floor plans. Let me know what y'all think about it. 409,000, 2,700 square feet. If you guys want to come out and take a look at these floor plans this weekend, text me, hey Rigo, I watched your YouTube video. My name is so-and-so. I'm interested on this one, and I'll be replying back to you guys and telling you all that good information. But you also have to make sure that you let me know that you came from YouTube. I get a lot of spam calls and messages. That's why I don't pick up my phone. So if you just tell me, hey, I watched your YouTube, then I know that where you came from and how to take care of you. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll be in touch on the next video.